Motor on receipt, 280 kilowatts motor.
View of the non-driving end before dismantling.
The driving end before dismantling.
View of stator on the non-connection.
Close-up view of on the non-connection end shows flash winding.
View of the connection end on the stator.
Close-up view of the winding shows carbon dust and grease droplets contaminant. The main rotor. Stator clean, painted with anti-tracking paint and insertion of Class H insulation slot liners done. Rewinding in progress.
View of the non-connection end. View of the connection end. Rewinding on the connection end is done, ready for binding.
View of the connection end, ready for phase separation. Binding of the non-connection end in progress.
Phase separation on the connection end is done, binding in progress.
Binding of the connection ring in progress. Binding of the non-connection end is complete. Binding of the connection end is done. Stator is ready for varnishing and oven cure. Rotor inserted in the stator after varnishing and oven cure. New SKF bearing fitted.
View of the non-driving end.
Assembly in progress. Motor tested, painted and ready for collection. The non-driving end. The driving end. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.